I'm going to review the best smart lock for home in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product. And from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from our customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Schlage Z-Wave Connect. This lock comes with a unique feature, which is the alarm that sounds when something or someone tries to tamper with the lock. It helps in alerting you if there is a forceful break-in. Going on vacation? No problem. This lock comes with a feature that lets you deactivate the keypad when out of state. It ensures no one can break into your home by trying to guess the codes. This lock allows you to program the keypad with as much as 30 different user codes. It is an excellent choice for offices where you have multiple people coming in and out. At number 2, August Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect. This smart lock comes with a feature which makes it stand out from the rest. It is known as Door Sense. This feature lets you know if your door is open. It also notifies you if you forget to close the door. This is an excellent feature for situations when you're not sure your home is secure and locked. That's not all. This lock is one of the least difficult to use, and even a beginner can get around using it with ease. It also has a mobile app which allows you to send temporary, permanent, and recurring keys to your visitors. At number 3, Ultra Low UL3 BT. This lock comes in an appealing design which gives it a very modern look. It is also weatherproof, which means you can use it without worries, even if installed on exterior doors. It comes with thumbprint access, which further eases entry into the home. However, this lock does not come with an anti-tamper alarm, which means you don't get alerted when someone tries to break in. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.